Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we will know how to install Java JDK and how to install Eclipse and how to run a Java program in your system. So let's start. And to install the Java, first of all we will go to our browser and type here Oracle Java. Alright, just type here Oracle Java. Alright, and you will find a website and see here Java download is written here. So just click on there and Java JDK, see it's there options are given Java 17 and Java 19, whichever you want you can click here, and there are the option of the operating system also, for which operating system you want to install. So see here Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So we are going for Windows now, so just click on the Windows and you will find the option here installer, 64-bit installer. Okay, so you have to click here and it will start downloading automatically, but I have downloaded already, so I will not download. Okay, and with this one, after installing the Java JDK, JRE will automatically come with this one. So you can run your program on the command line also. So if you want to run your program on command line, you can go through that. Otherwise you can use Eclipse ID also, which will help you to build the projects, and it will suggest many things. Means you will get a environment, you know what, it will give you the proper way to work on the projects, like how the companies are running, how they are making the project. So they used to use the ID also, like Eclipse and all. So you can download that also. So we will use here Eclipse ID. Okay, so you have to click here Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse installation. Okay, Eclipse installer 72209. Okay, just click here and you will find here the download option. Okay, just click here download, it will start automatic downloading, and they have give the process also for installation. And if you are using Eclipse or Java JDK last time, so it will give option to replace and these things. If you are not using first time you are installing, then it's okay, it's not a problem. So let's come to the topic. Okay, now in download, I said already I have downloaded. See here JDK 19 Windows 64. So I will make here double click. Okay, and the process will start to install. So it's asking me, I will give the permission. Okay, yes. Okay, and then click here and go to the next. And see, always remember the location. See program files Java JDK 19. Okay, it will help you. Otherwise, if you want to change the location, you can change the location also, but I will use the default location. All right, click here next, and the installation process will start now. So I will skip this between the time which is taking longer. And now it's, if you want to see the tutorial, so I don't want that because not required, and I will close it here. Okay, now go to your C program files, this PC C program files. Okay, and Java is here, JDK is here. Okay, copy the path and then go to search bar and type here environment variable, edit the system environment variable, just click it here. Okay, and in advanced option you will see here the computer name hardware advanced option. Go in advanced option and type in environment variable here, and go to system variable. Okay, because we are going to use it for overall system. Click on path. Okay, edit, or we have to add new path, right? So click on the new, and whatever path you have copied, just paste it here. Okay, and type OK. Alright, the path is added now. Okay, if you want to check the system in your system it's installed or not, so just go to the CMD. Okay, command prompt, type here and type here Java space hyphen version. Alright, and enter here. You will find the Java is installed in your system now. Alright, now what we have to do, you can run your program by using the CMD. Okay, command prompt also, just create a .java instruction file and go to the process. So it will be little longer process, and always you cannot follow that. So we will use here Eclipse ID. Okay, which will make easy for you to create your program projects and all. And in future, if you are going for any interviews also, so they will ask about these things, means which ID you know about, and which on which IDE you can work and all, and companies are using IDE only, like Eclipse and IntelliJ IDE, these things. So basically most of the companies are using IDE only, so we'll go for Eclipse IDE. Okay, and go to your download. Here is the Eclipse, just click here. Okay, make a double click. I have shown you the website. Okay, so I will mention the both link in your description box. You can directly go from there. All right, now okay, so process is going to start, and here they are giving the options which type of Java you want to install in your system. All right, so we want Java for Java developers. All right, so click it here, and you can check mark here like create a start menu entry or create a desktop shortcut. Okay, so and remember the path on which path you have installed your Java JDK, automatic it will catch. Okay, and it will install. So automatic it will detect, I mean, and it will go there. And now install it here. Installation is start now, so I will skip this process again. It will take some time. Now it's giving option to launch it, so I will click here to launch. All right, and here it's giving the option. Okay, so okay, we will choose this path only where we will build our projects and all. All right, so this is the old project. Okay, so no problem, we will go for a new one, and otherwise you can go through. So I will click here file, new. Okay, and I can go for the Java project. All right, so our Java project name will be Avinash project. Okay, Avinash project, I have given the name. Okay, and choose it here. Use a project specifies JRE. All right, and finish it here. So Avinash project is created now. Okay, now go to here, and you can Avinash project. Just click on Avinash project, new, and create a class. And the class name, anything you can pass. I will pass here the class name, my program, or my project, anything, my project. Okay, and if you want to use here public static void main automatically, so it will suggest give you automatic. So finish it here now. Okay, now my project is ready. See here it's giving some errors, so we will find that what's the error. Default package. So we need to give our the project package name also. Okay, type here package, and our package name is Avinash project. Okay, now your error is solved, and to out and control space. Okay, I will pass it here like my first program, my first program. Okay, and then save it. So you can, to save it, go to file and save, or otherwise you can click control save. Okay, now right click here and run as Java application. Okay, see here my first program is ready now. So congratulations, you have did your first program in your Eclipse by using the Java JDK. Okay, and your Eclipse ID, and after that we will go through the many programs like related to your Java projects, and which will give a very good knowledge to you in upcoming days, and which will help you in the industry also if you are going for any interview purpose and anything. So please subscribe to my channel, and comment and share with the people who need this, and in future we'll go with many programs related to Java, and many tips we will know about different type of programs, and different type of tips we will know related to Java, how to work, and we have many topics to discuss here. So one by one it will come. So please subscribe to my channel and stay with me to know many more things about Java and all. Thank you.